This is how you make an Oreo Blast with whipped cream at Sonic. Alright, first we're going to put some ice cream in there. Then we're going to put some Oreo bits in there. Alright, what else we got next? Alright, 5 scoops is OD. Come on to the next. More ice cream? Tell me we're mixing this. Please tell me we're mixing this. Okay, good. I'm about to say, don't be like McDonald's with the broken ice cream machines. I already know this is going to taste bussin'. My go-to is the Snickers Blizzard. You already know what it is. No toppings? Just whipped cream? Alright. And more Oreos on top. Nah, just put more